Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Bulk Mirrors is probably one of the most versatile and impactful additions you can make to your home or business, offering not just functional utility but also a significant aesthetic enhancement that can transform any space. Whether you're looking to create an illusion of spaciousness, amplify natural light, or simply add a touch of modern elegance, the right set of mirrors can be a game changer, reflecting your style and personality while serving a practical purpose. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes a bulk mirror purchase worthwhile and guide you through selecting the perfect options to elevate your environment. Number 5. Bright Creations Silver Mirror Art Tiles, 50-pack. Discover the versatility of our mirror art tiles, perfect for all your DIY craft and home decor needs. These adhesive tiles offer endless possibilities for creative expression. Elevate your next project with these mini mirrors. They are ideal for creating intricate mosaic art or adding elegant touches to any room's decor. Crafted for durability, each glass mirror boasts a polished finish that maintains its shine. They are designed to enhance the aesthetic appeal of your creations. Easily customize surfaces like coffee tables or use them as stylish coasters. These square mirrors can also add a functional and chic element to your event spaces. With 50 glass mirror tiles in this set, you have plenty to work with. Create mirror wallpapers or unique mirror frame projects with these versatile tiles. Unleash your imagination with these innovative mirror tiles. They are perfect for everything from disco ball stickers to unique mirror glass designs, expanding your creative toolkit. What we like? These are perfect for unleashing your creativity. If you're a DIY enthusiast looking to add a unique touch to your crafts or home decor, these are an excellent choice. They offer a large quantity for extensive projects like mirror wallpapers or custom coasters. What people say. The mirror is made of high-quality glass, providing a clear and distortion-free reflection. The sleek, minimalist design complements any decor style. It comes with pre-drilled holes for easy mounting, saving time and effort. Number 4. MIYADIVA 30x Magnifying Makeup Mirror with Light. Achieve flawless makeup application with our powerful 30x magnifying mirror. It's perfect for detailed tasks like tweezing, eyebrow shaping, and applying eyeliner. This mirror features 56 high-quality LED lights with 3 adjustable color modes: cool white, natural daylight, and warm light. Easily switch between them and adjust brightness for your perfect makeup environment. It comes with a 1500 mAh rechargeable battery that fully charges in about 2 hours, providing long-lasting illumination. Convenient USB-C charging makes it easy to power up anywhere. Designed for beauty on the go, this compact mirror folds easily to fit into any bag. Its adjustable stand allows for versatile use, making it ideal for travel and everyday routines. This makes a thoughtful gift for any woman in your life. It's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because for makeup lovers and frequent travelers. For the clearest image with the 30x magnification, remember to hold the mirror within 4 inches of your face. What we like? This is the ultimate tool for precision beauty. If you need detailed close-ups for flawless makeup application, intricate skincare, or precise tweezing, this is the one for you. Its adjustable lighting and portability make it ideal for anyone who values a perfect look on the go. What people say. The mirrors are well packaged and arrived without any damage. The reflective surface is clear and distortion-free, providing a true reflection. The mounting hardware included is sturdy and easy to install. Number 3. Mini Folding Compact Mirror. Introducing our mini folding compact mirrors, perfect for on-the-go touch-ups. These portable pocket mirrors are designed for your daily beauty routine. Whether you're traveling or just need a quick check, these mirrors are your ideal companion. Their compact size makes them easy to slip into any bag. Get a bulk pack of 24 mirrors, ensuring you always have one handy. They are perfect for personal use or as thoughtful gifts. Choose from 2 stylish colors to match your preference. These mirrors offer both functionality and a touch of personal style. Make your daily routine effortless with these essential makeup mirrors. They are designed to be practical and convenient for everyday use. What we like? These are designed for convenience and everyday touch-ups. If you're looking for a simple, no-fuss mirror to keep in your purse or travel bag for quick makeup checks, this bulk pack is ideal. They are perfect for personal use or as party favors. What people say. The mirrors are well packaged and arrived without any damage. The reflective surface is clear and distortion-free, providing a true reflection. The mounting hardware included is sturdy and easy to install. Number 2. Jetec Compact Mirrors Bulk. Introducing our bulk pack of compact mirrors, featuring a variety of classic colors. These are perfect for everyday use or special occasions. These mini mirrors are designed for portability, easily fitting into your purse or travel bag. They are ideal for quick touch-ups on the go. Looking for the perfect party favor? These small mirrors make a delightful and practical gift for your guests. Elevate your goodie bags for weddings or birthdays with these charming mini mirrors. They add a touch of elegance to any celebration. Offer a blend of style and practicality with these folding makeup mirrors. They are a thoughtful gift that anyone would appreciate. Keep your look flawless wherever you go with these travel-friendly compact mirrors. Their small size makes them an essential travel companion. What we like? These offer a touch of classic style for your guests. If you're planning an event and need charming, practical favors that fit easily into goodie bags, these are a fantastic option. They are suitable for weddings, birthdays, or any celebration where a small, elegant keepsake is appreciated. What people say? The mirrors are well made and have a good weight to them. The reflective surface is clear and distortion-free. They are easy to hang and come with all the necessary hardware. Number 1. Jetec 8 PCS Small Handheld Mirrors. Discover a set of 8 charming handheld mirrors in a variety of delightful colors. Perfect for adding a pop of fun to any occasion. These compact mirrors are designed for on-the-go touch-ups and creative projects. Their convenient size makes them easy to carry anywhere. Unleash your creativity with these versatile mirrors, perfect for DIY crafts and personalized decorations. Let your imagination shine. Surprise the little ones with these delightful mirrors, ideal for party favors, classroom activities, or everyday cosmetic use. Crafted for durability and style, these mirrors offer a clear reflection for all your beauty and crafting needs. Get a fantastic value with this pack of 8 mirrors, ensuring you have plenty for yourself or to share with friends. What we like? These provide a comfortable grip for various uses. If you need a mirror that's easy to hold for applying makeup, or if you're looking for a fun, colorful option for kids' crafts or party favors, these are a great fit. Their size and vibrant colors make them versatile for personal use and creative activities. What people say? The mirrors are well packaged and arrived without any damage. The reflective surface is clear and provides a distortion-free image. The frames are sturdy and give the mirrors a premium look. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.